Hi everyone. So I'm starting gate preparation from today. I studied the first lecture of COA. Um, I'll be telling what I have covered throughout in this lecture. So first is types of register based on task, and second is based on information. So there are few register I'll be mentioning description as well. Two types of register and main registers that we used. Then there are three components, main components of computer, which is CPU, memory, and input output devices. Again, the short descriptions of all the registers that we use, I'll be putting in description. Then instruction cycle I have studied, and there are like fetch, execute, decode process in that instruction cycle. Mm, and again, like instruction cycle with interrupt also is a concept that is like little from there only we get the questions to solve. Then concept of memory, how it is represented, and there are two types of memory, byte addressable and word addressable, that we'll be getting in the questions to solve. Again, after this there were few questions like finding the value of PC when the like while executing like certain instructions. So what will be the value in program counter? So it's kind of easy if you know the concept of program counter, which stores the starting address of next instruction to be executed. So that will be the value in PC. Again, yeah, these are the questions that I've solved. And memory structure, like how does memory stored in computer? It's in 2 raised to n cross m format. So n is the number of address lines and m is number of data lines. So yeah, there are few questions like how to find address line, data lines from that, and it's quite easy if you remember 2 raised to n cross m structure of memory. So that was day one of my gate preparation journey of COA. I've started. Like motive is to just be consistent throughout until I complete the like gate 2027, since it will be the long journey. And yeah, I want everyone to be consistent with me in this. Second part of my prep is DevOps engineer role. So I've posted one video of Linux day one. So the on the next day I've studied is regarding user management. Sorry for the this camera angle. So like it's very interesting from where I've studied. Like at least I got to know about little basic thing about user management. Like if you know you have personal laptop with you, then like even though we can create multiple users on that, if you like if you know user and password, username and password, but we always create only one username and password, so that we know like whatever the operations are performing on the system, file creation, deletion, that will be done by only you. So unlike that in Linux, so it's called accountability is clear on personal laptop, but it's not on the Linux, because we cannot actually figure out who deleted what. So so for that I think user is created, not user is created to figure out who what actions who has done. So there are few commands to create user. I'll be putting that in description. And what else? I think user, how to add user, how to add difference between user add user, then how to create password, how to delete password, how to retrieve it, if we can retrieve it or no. Then how to create a group. Like group are needed because there will be thousands of people working in what do you call, in production environment. So so to like remove all the chaos, we create group, some group for developer, admins, DevOps engineer, and we assign those users to group. And there are few commands for group, creating group also. So yeah, that's all. That's my desk, that's my MacBook, and that's my Windows. Thank you all for watching this. Just be with me throughout. We'll surely get something out of it. Let's be consistent. Thank you.